It's a new day, and today we're talking welding equipment. Most of these items did come from either Amazon or Harbor Freight. I will put links in the description for everything we talk about today. The only thing I did buy directly from the manufacturer was the welder because they were having a really good sale around Christmas time. But other than that, you could pick it up on Amazon if you did want to. First things first, I want to preface, I know nothing about welding. I am just the average DIY car guy who wants to do as much as he can by himself. So that's what got me into looking at welders. Now that I've been working on the truck a little bit more and I have a bunch of fabrication related things I want to do, this was the next step. Everything you see here is something that I picked out because I saw decent reviews online as well as some videos of people using them that look like they would fit my current use case as well as not break the bank. To start off, let's talk about the welder itself. This is a Arc Captain MiG 200. This is one of their 6-in-1 multi-process welders. It is also a dual voltage, so you can run it at 110 or 220. I will mainly be doing MIG welding, but I did want the option to try out the other welding forms if I wanted to. I will be getting a gas bottle for this pretty soon. That is the only thing I'm currently missing to try it out. Other than that, I haven't used it yet. Honestly, the reason I went with it is because I saw a lot of good reviews online, watched some YouTube videos, and I think it's going to fit for what I need. Moving on over to the wire. So I did start out just getting some cheaper wire from Harbor Freight. This is just their Vulcan. I got a couple solid core wire, so I have a 025 as well as a 035, and then I did get a smaller spool of the flux core just so that I can try gasless as well. Let's move this stuff out of the way and get some more on the table. Moving on to some smaller items. Starting off on my left here, I did get an assortment of arrow magnets. So I have a bunch of different size magnets here to hold things together when I'm trying to weld. Then I got a pair of Irwin MIG pliers. Pretty simple. A very basic, cheap, standard set of chisel and wire brush, as well as a pair of gloves. And then the mask I picked is a Yes Welder. This is one of their large view window masks. It also has the grind mode on it. I figured give myself a little bit of an advantage, not having welded before in the past, to have that larger view window. Also make it easier when I'm using the grind mode on it to see things. Last but certainly not least, moving on to two of the larger items. Both of these came from Harbor Freight. First, we have their welding cabinet. This will be the cart that the welder sits on. I really like the idea of a cabinet for the drawers to put all the smaller things in, like your extra spools of wire, your wire brushes, gloves, stuff like that. So we will get that put together shortly here and do a little bit more in-depth on it. Another item I picked up at Harbor Freight was their modular welding table. I like the idea of a smaller, simple table, something that wasn't going to break the bank right away. Also, with it coming with all the extra clamps was a big plus. So we're going to give that a try. Once I have it put together, we will do a more in-depth review on it and let you know how it is. And that's everything I picked up to start my welding journey. Please stay tuned for more in-depth videos on all these products as I get them set up and get to try them out for the first time. If you have any feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know what I'm forgetting. Tips and tricks, anything is greatly appreciated. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, as well as throw some comments down below. I want to hear from you guys more. Thank you.